The 279FC allows the user of the product to do additional troubleshooting and measurements that our traditional DMMs have never offered in the past. Besides the iFlex clamp, it has the thermal imaging camera inside of it. If you've got a problem with your electrical lines and you're getting heat in your breaker panel, for instance, you can go do the work, come back, verify you fixed it so you don't have any obvious issues, and then take your thermal imaging camera and take that picture, send it back to the manager, so it's much more efficient.
Hello, I'm Nick. Today I'm going to talk about Triplet's Model 9055, one of our most diverse digital multimeters. This is the main unit here. It has a nice red overmolded case, which gives it double overload protection. It also helps with its drop resistance, dust resistance, and it's also water resistant as well. One of the nice things that makes it so diverse is its 6-in-1 functions, meaning that it has 6 different functions in one digital multimeter. The 6 functions include a non-contact AC voltage detector, which is right underneath here, right between Triplet and Model 9055. It also has a relative humidity meter. You can see up here that actually functions during every single range of the meter. It also has got a DBC, so it also measures sound level. It also has a lux meter built into it. It also has a contact temperature with the K-type probe that we do include. And it also has ambient temperature as well. The other functions all include traditional digital multimeter functions, including AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current, a resistance meter, a frequency level checker, and continuity as well, and a few others. As I first turn on the unit, I'll turn on the backlight so you can get a better idea of what's going on. You can see that right here in the center, I have the relative humidity. That's being measured constantly, and up here I have the ambient temperature in the room, and I can press this round button right here and change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius if I want. One of the other functions I talked about is the dB meter, which is in C weighted, excuse me. And I can just turn this over to the DBC. I can turn back on the backlit so you can have a better look, and you can see that it's actually measuring the sound level right now in the room. One of the other nice functions is, like I said, it has a lux meter built in, and it can actually read what the light is in the room. As you can see, it's changing constantly based on the angle that I have the meter pointing at. This meter, like I said, is a 6-in-1, so it includes many of the functions other traditional digital multimeters don't have, and that makes it really nice for an all-in-one meter on the job site. It's specifically designed for people that work in the HVAC system, so they can get dB measurements, relative humidity, sound levels, and lux measurements all in one device. One of the other nice things that we do with all our digital multimeters is that it has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So from date of purchase, it has a 3-year warranty. If anything goes wrong and it breaks for some reason, we will replace it with a brand new unit. You will not get a refurbished unit. You would get a brand new unit right out of the packaging, and you'd be able to pick that up from the store that you purchased it from. Well, if you have any questions about our Model 9055, feel free to contact us on our Facebook page or at sales@triplet.com, or call us at 1-800-TRIPLET. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.
From the leaders in electrical test tools comes the Fluke 117 digital multimeter. With great features for each product in the family, Fluke has a digital multimeter that will fit your needs. Fluke's digital multimeters are the preferred choice across the globe due to their rugged, reliable, and safe design. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter was designed and built with these factors in mind, enabling the users to conduct detailed measurements in the most efficient and safest way in every environment imaginable. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is the result of decades of experience, continuous research, and extensive road testing. It is guaranteed to perform even under the most demanding circumstances. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is easy to use, it is Fluke rugged and Fluke reliable, and is excellent for general electrical and electronic testing. The Fluke 117 features low Z function, which prevents false readings due to ghost voltage, volt alert technology for non-contact voltage detection, auto volt, automatic AC and DC voltage selection, a large white LED backlight to work in poorly lit areas. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is a true RMS meter designed for maximum productivity, also offering resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance measurements. It also has a 3-year warranty.